Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the what is the copy constructor and why we use the copy constructor in Java and the difference between the copy constructor and clone method. So let's start. Java supports the Java supports the copy constructor. In C++, there is a copy constructor. It provides by default, and in our Java language, there is need to be defined by own. Then let's talk about the what is a constructor. Constructor is a same name of constructor is the same as per the method, but there is only one difference, that is constructor name it is the same as per the class name. That is a difference of the constructor and method. And constructor it does not have a return type. Constructor and in constructor we cannot override constructors. Then let's talk about what are the two types of the constructor. First is a default constructor and second is a parameterized constructor. In this default constructor, Java provides the default constructor. If there is no any constructor in your class, that time compiler provides the default constructor. Default constructor is default constructor. It provides to you default values like 0, null, etc. Then second is a parameterized constructor. In parameterized constructor, we can pass the different values to the object. That is a parameterized constructor. Then let's talk about the why we use copy constructor in Java. If you want to create a exact copy of an existing class, that time copy constructor it provides to you copy the object. And in copy constructor there is a one condition. If you are going to change in copy, that time there is no reflect in a original copy. That's why we use the copy constructor in Java. Then copy constructor in Java, a copy constructor is a special type of constructor that creates a copy from another object. If you want to change in copy, that time there is no change. There is no any reflection in original copy constructor. Then let's talk about what is the use of copy constructor. First, if you want to assign a value to the final keyword, that time you can assign this value to the fields. Then you can generate a deep copy of heavy objects. Then third is avoid the use of the object by clone method. Then let's talk about the advantages of the constructor. In constructor there is no typecasting. There is no typecasting. It is easy to use. It is easier. Then it is addition of fields to the class is easy. Because of it, you can change. You need to change only in the class constructor. Then let's talk about the difference between the constructor, copy constructor, and clone method. In clone method, it is necessary to import the cloneable, and there is provides the exception, that is a clone no exception. Exception handling, it is a program that will make the program difficult or complex, but our copy constructor, it is easier as compared to the clone method. Then in clone method, you cannot assign a value to the final fields, but in our copy constructor, you can assign a value to the final fields. Then third is the in clone method, object written by the class is a typecasting, but in our copy constructor, there is no typecasting in all copy constructor. So in this video, we have discussed about what is the constructor and why we use the copy constructor, and types of constructors, and advantages also covered in this video, and that is all about the copy constructor. Thank you.